Siddesh Kumar Perera from West Bengal. I study in class 8 of Tirumala School, IIT Kharagpur, West Bengal. So my idea is about, I have designed an aquaguard, which is the super cheapest, and it helps the people who live in the rural areas. As we know, water helps in the metabolic system of our body. It helps in various systems, like digestive system, excretory system. But what to think about the people live in the rural areas? They cannot afford the expensive RO purifiers, filters. So at last they are forced to drink the impure water that they get from the different water bodies such as river, lake, pond, as well as from the tube wells. So doctor facility is also not present. So I have thought about this, and I have designed a aquaguard as a kind of a solution. This aquaguard is the cheapest aquaguard that converts the impure water into pure water as about 99.99% as compared to the RO purifiers. And the biggest advantage of this project is that it doesn't require electricity to function, as it runs on the DC current, and it uses the renewable source of energy. As we know, in all over India, maximum the renewable source of energy is used, which converts the solar energy into the electrical energy. And these batteries which I have used are also rechargeable. But the RO purifiers, when the electricity is gone off, they stop functioning. So various people suffer due to this. So I have designed the prototype and designed all the materials which I have needed and designed the project. And the procedure which I have used and the preparation process is that, first the step one is that I have used a traditional method in which it removes 50% of the impurities present in the water. And the second step is that I have used the alum, which increase the weight of the impurities of the rest 50% and traps them with the help of a net. And the third is that I pass the electric current. As we know that if a human being will consume the electric current for 2 minutes after, it will die. So what about that microorganism and bacteria? If I will produce them 18 volts of batteries from the charges, they will automatically die. And with the help of the alum, I also settle down and get trapped. And with the magnet, if any solid iron is present, it means ferric hydroxide, insoluble ferric hydroxide, they get trapped in the magnet. So at last they get transported to another container with a pump, and they get again transported to another container, from which automatically when a human being will stand near the sensor, the water will automatically collected to his bucket, which leads to conversion of the impure water to pure water, and also conservation of the potable water. As you know, ocean is consuming about 97% of water, but only 0.3%, and all the rest are present only pure water. They cannot get, so conservation of pure potable water is also required. So this was all about my project that I have declared, and this is the